Yeah, look at this. I got a new stove. The last one was about 20 something years old, might even be 30 years old. It was old as shit. So we finally bit the bullet on Black Friday, Boxing Day. On Boxing Day, we bought a new stove. This is a Samsung. I don't know what model number this is, so I'll just put it up here on the screen. But it's nice, man. Glass top, 5 burners. We open it up here. Blue interior, self-cleaning, convection. Yo, it is dope. So I think the first thing we gotta do is take all the plastic off, and well, then we can plug it in. Oh, hang on, wait, I just realized I should probably do this. Okay, ready? Hang on, wait, sorry. Give me a sec here, hang on. Okay, here we go. Samsung. Ow, bitch! Cracking open the little packet we found inside the oven, we have the anti-tip brackets. I'm not gonna be using that. We have the electric range simple user manual. And then we have the Smart Things app. That is right, this thing is smart. You can control it over Wi-Fi. Ain't that cool? So preparing to install the range. You have here all the parts. We're not gonna use any of those. We are just gonna drop this baby right into the slot, just like I did to your mom. And go from there. What the hell is all this? Why is there a wiring diagram in my freaking stove? What the hell? Isn't this thing plug and play? Bruh, I'm no electrical engineer. Installing the wire power cord. What? No shot. Bruh. Accessing the power cord. There is no way I have to do that. Come on. Okay, let's go behind. Let's go behind and see what we got working back here. Okay, looking back here, we do have the cord, so let's just get this baby plugged in. Okay, the cable's not the longest. But like your mother says, it's not always about the length that matters. Now how the hell does this go in here? We got it figured out. It feels a little awkward, but it goes in that direction. Hopefully that helps. Everything's good. Let's get this baby positioned and into place. I'm so excited for this stove, you have no idea. Speaking as a fat person, while I'm not a great cook, I do love me my foods. Whew. Almost had me a heart attack there. Not because I'm fat, but because I thought it didn't fit. But it's sliding in, man. It's sliding in. Oh. Well, there you go, boys. That's how she do be looking. That's really the unboxing, I guess, of my new Samsung stove. I still have a few more pieces of content I want to make on this. Like, I want to show how to set up the Wi-Fi app. But there you guys go. She's a beaut. For $9.50 at the Home Depot. Couldn't really say no to that kind of pricing. Plus, you know, free delivery and free takeaway with the old one. It's great. I love how it looks. It's a good upgrade for the kitchen. And yeah, next, I guess, is to set up the app and get it cleaned so I can start cooking on it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan to do a lot more on this channel now that the new year has started. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hey, maybe leave a comment and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.